Understanding. Should I go for it? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase. Should I go for it? This expression is widely used in everyday conversations, and understanding it can greatly enhance your English communication skills. So, let's dive in and decode its meaning together. The phrase, "Should I go for it?" is a question that someone asks when they are considering whether or not to do something. It involves making a decision about taking an action or seizing an opportunity. Let's break it down. Should is a modal verb used to ask for advice or to consider the rightness of an action. I refers to the speaker. Go for means to pursue or attempt to achieve something. It refers to the action or opportunity in question. Together, this phrase is used to express uncertainty or to seek reassurance or advice about proceeding with a particular action. The phrase, "Should I go for it?" can be used in various contexts, ranging from casual to more serious decisions. Here are a few examples. 1. Considering a job offer. I got a job offer from another company. Should I go for it? 2. Making a purchase. I've been eyeing this laptop for months. Should I go for it? 3. Taking a chance in relationships. I like this person a lot. Should I go for it and ask them out? In each case, the speaker is contemplating an action and may be looking for encouragement or advice from the listener. When someone asks, "Should I go for it?" they're usually seeking your opinion or support. Here's how you can respond. Offering encouragement. Yes, you should definitely go for it. It sounds like a great opportunity. Providing caution. It might be worth considering the pros and cons before you decide. Asking questions. What makes you hesitate? Are there any risks involved? Your response can help the speaker weigh their options more effectively. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, "Should I go for it?" and how to use it in your daily conversations. It's a powerful expression for making decisions and seeking advice. Remember, learning these expressions can make your English communication more natural and effective. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.